Illuminate your workspace with the UltraHD 4-foot Linkable motion sensor LED shop light. Powerful LEDs emit up to 4,000 lumens of cool white light for an even white glow. Light features a frosted polycarbonate diffuser lens for protection against sparks, impacts, and other dangers while working. Our light is ENERGY STAR certified, drawing only 40 watts per fixture. Long-lasting LEDs have a lifetime of approximately 50,000 hours. That's 8 hours a day for 17 years. LEDs turn on instantly at full brightness when you walk into the room. Infrared motion sensor detects movement in a 6-foot cone beneath the light for instant illumination. Connect the shop light to a wall switch to operate like a traditional light fixture, or use the pull chain to turn the lights on and off. Connect up to 4 shop lights to create a whole room illumination system. Lights are ETL listed for safe use in homes and warehouses, garages, basements, pantries, and more. Mounting the light is easy with keyhole brackets for flush ceiling mounts and adjustable linked chains for hanging installation. We designed our light with a durable steel case and polycarbonate caps for superior durability in a wide range of environments. Upgrade today with efficient commercial-grade lighting from Seville Classics.